Hello, this is your friend Neil back with another video. In this video, I will give my review about that Amazon basic speaker what I have been unboxed 6 days. Okay guys, so this is the speaker. I have fully charged and I have paired it with my second phone, Redmi Note 4G. So now we will play some music on it. You can hear on it. Okay, so here we go. Yeah. Okay, so let's change this for boring. Let's play something rock workouts. Okay, it is Sultan track. It is slightly lower in the voice. Let me see. It will increase. I will put it on the highest maximum. Okay, so it is slow. You guys can hear it is very low, but as per the price package, this is right. Now it is price. So after the 6th day, my review is as per the price bracket. It is a good. And what you think, just comment below. I will give you the answer, but as per my review, you should go for it because in the price of 1000, this is good. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Only peace, no sleeves.